Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to cover get branching and merging. Specifically, I'm going to talk about how to create a branch, switch to the new branch, merge the branch, and delete the branch. Okay, so step one is using this. We're going to talk about get branch, which is to list all the local branches that you have. So if you see asterisk next to that branch, meaning that that's the branch that you are using. So let me go ahead and run this command. So I have this project called my Python project. So if I do dir -a, we see that I have this hidden file called .get. Okay. So again, the command is get branch. So this is how you check the list of the local branches. And right now we only have one branch, and this is the branch that we are using called main. Okay, so that's how you list again your local branches. Okay, so step two is create a new branch, and this is the command. So I'm gonna just manually type it. Get branch, and the name of the branch is feature, in this case, feature-1. And if I do get branch, now we have two branches, one called feature-1 and the main branch that we are using. Okay, so that's how you create a new branch. And next step is switch to the new branch, which is this command. You can use this command, get checkout and the name of the branch, or get switch. This is the preferred and newer command. So I'm gonna use this command, get switch. So I'm gonna switch into the feature-1 branch. So get switch and the name of the branch. Okay. Get switch, no, wrong spelling. Okay, so after I run this command, it says switch to branch, the branch name. So meaning if I do a get branch, now we are using this new branch called feature-1. Okay, so that's how you switch to the new branch that you create. All right, so I'm gonna make changes here. Actually, I'm just gonna say, so here, if I verify the file, yeah, I have this file and I have it open here. So I'm gonna just say print testing branch. I'm gonna save it. Now I need to add it. So the command is that to add all the files. So I only have one file. And if I do get status, it says changes to be committed. So we modify this command, this file. So it says modified. So I need to commit it. And the command for that is get commit -m and the message. So testing get branch. That's the message that I'm putting. Okay. So if I enter this, I run this command, I get that output. And if I do get status again, now it says some branch feature, nothing to commit. So working tree clean. Okay. So that's how you make a change, add the file or the modified file, and commit your changes. So now I need to go back to the main branch, and I can just do get switch main. So it says switch to branch main. If I do get branch now, I'm using the main branch indicated by the asterisk next to it. Okay, so let me just clear the screen, and now we can run this command, get merge feature. So the expectation is print statement that I added to the hello file py in the branch, feature-1 branch we should see that print statement in the same file that we are looking at right now, which is the same file. Okay. So again, get branch to verify the branch that we are using. And now I can do get merge and the name of the branch. So feature -1. Okay, so it says one file changed. So now we see that, we see the print statement that we added earlier in the feature -1 branch. And again, we are in the main branch. Okay, so that's how you use the get merge command if you are merging your file or new file into the existing file that you have. Okay, so now let us talk about deleting a feature branch in this example. So the command is get branch -d. So we can safely use this command because we have already merged this feature -1 branch into the main branch. So in other words, we don't need this anymore. Okay, deleted branch feature, yeah, done. And of course, if you have a scenario where you want to delete a branch that you haven't merged yet, you can use the -D instead of -d. Okay, and of course, you can run this command to see the visual commit tree. Okay, yeah, that's the visual commit tree, and you can just say Q or type Q to exit from that output. Let me clear the screen. So I've got final notes here for beginners. So we need to basically always create a new branch for every feature or bug fix that we have. And we should avoid committing directly to the main branch. And we can, run this get status for us to be aware of the changes. And of course, you can visualize the branches using the get log -- graph, or you can use tools like Gitkraken or Visual Code Get UI. All right, so that's all I want to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.